It looks so much smaller than the picture.
We need something for reference. Oh, look, it's feeding time. Well, look at this. It's a saw shark.
Oh, we don't have a picture of that one. Wait, right there?
It's a saw shark.
Let's see.
It's resting. Like it's better over here.
Four sharks. This one's big, bro. Four sharks.
Saw.
Mom, it's a mammoth.
Saw shark.
Mom, it's a mammoth.
Look at those nostrils.
It's a mammoth. It's like an apple. Hey, people, go down here.
In a different style. Where are you? You're missing all the cool stuff. Look.
I can just shuffle here. You can hold on to me and go in pace.
I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh God, now you're moving and I'm not. That's even worse. That's even worse. Oh my God, how do you guys not get sick?
Just go look at the wall. Look at the wall for a little bit. She's motion sick. It's too fast.
No, you think so?
I gotta walk. I'm walking.
Oh, okay. But the fish is in the glass.
And then you'll see them come by.
Imagine. I just poured the glass in the water.
And then you'll see them.
They'll come
Coolest
by.
thing ever. You think right here?
And there's baby sharks.
Baby
Where
would be
I'm getting motion sickness and claustrophobic.
Where?
There. Do you see it in the back?
Oh damn. Oh, is it the tank with the sharks?
Yeah.
This is a big tank.
So this is this, and then when you come out the other end, you see them on top. In the back. Where?
I see them. It's huge. So huge.
So Mary, can you do it on this side? Is that better for you?
Oh, this is neat. Oh.
What?
He's like, why? How do they do the turns?
Just like they do it on the streetcar.
Out of that side.
You okay?
That's probably
Let's do this. Look at the
I
carpet.
thought I would get like so nauseous. Wait, is there anything behind me?
There's a big shark. That's right there.
There's a pork fish.
It was already here.
Everything you insert, the gun would get down the street. Insert down the street.
Jordan, keep it for there's a sawfish too.
Yeah, I was gonna say. It's not
Look, Jordan.
Oh man!
Everybody's yelling, not bad.
Really small, bro.
Oh, where's your buddy Matt? Look at the teeth on that guy.
And then stingray.
The stingray.
Oh man! Yo, man.
There's more.
What's that? Shoot, we got like a jackpot here, eh?
Stood around.
More camera. What is this like now?
Look, let's not.
That's awesome. What kind is that?
Turtle. Turtle. Turtle.
Squirt!
Squirtle.
How many sharks went to a freaking fight? This for eating the turtle.
No, yeah. No, look, they're kissing.
Dude, I can't believe the teeth, eh?
So just one at a time, just gently stroking their back or their tail. There are two of them in the middle. The ones that are swimming around, just let them be.
Dinosaurs, don't
They do. They do. They look prehistoric. Like
Where
look
their
at those.
feet are and stuff?
Well, and their
like their
eyes.
reverse knees?
Their face, like the eyes and the face. Look like that.
If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with tigers. I mean, people say, or it is said that lions are the king of the jungle, but that's only because tigers doesn't live in the jungle. Tigers grow way bigger than lions. I personally think a tiger can take out a lion any day. Do you know that MGM or MCM, when a movie starts, that roar that you hear is a tiger's roar, not a lion's roar?